You set a perfect buy order at the London Open. Price approaches, crashes right through your stop loss, then immediately rockets toward your original target. This isn't bad luck. Large institutional algorithms need massive amounts of liquidity to fill their orders. To get it, they push price into areas where retail traders have clustered their stop losses. By the end of this video, we will build the complete ICT Asian Range setup, step by step, so you can execute trades alongside that smart money. You only need two things to follow along: a basic charting platform and a live or demo trading account like FXN. Identifying this market sequence is the first step in moving from being the source of liquidity to becoming the trader who captures it. Step 1. Open a 15-minute chart and isolate the Asian session, specifically the window from 20 p.m. to midnight Eastern Standard Time. Look closely at this cluster of candles. Mark the absolute highest and lowest wicks reached during these 4 hours. These boundaries are your Asian high and your Asian low. Now, measure the vertical distance between those two lines. For this setup to work, the consolidation needs to be tight, ideally under 40 pips. Here, we have a clean 30 pip range. If the price action during this session is volatile and covers a massive 80 pip spread, walk away. A messy range does not build up the concentrated pool of orders required for the setup. This tight box is a period of accumulation. Retail traders are placing buy stops above the high and sell stops below the low, creating a coiled spring of resting orders waiting to be triggered. Before we trade that spring, we have to know which direction it will release. Step 2. Zoom out to the daily or 4-hour chart. Look at the broader picture. Here we see a clear upward trajectory. This establishes our daily bias. This dictates a strict rule for the session. Because the daily bias is upward, we are only looking for buy setups. If the overarching trend were downward, we would exclusively look for sells. Aligning your 15-minute execution with this macro trend acts as your primary filter. It protects you from buying into a massive higher timeframe reversal. Step 3. Zoom back into the 5-minute chart and wait for the London Open. This occurs strictly between 02 and 03 Eastern Standard Time. Watch what happens as London wakes up. Instead of following our daily bias upward, price drops, aggressively breaking out through the bottom of our Asian range. This rapid breakdown is the Judas Swing, a deliberate institutional trap. The banks want to buy in with the daily trend, but they need sellers to fill their massive positions. By pushing the price down, they are sweeping the stop losses sitting below the Asian low. They buy exactly where retail traders are panicking and selling. Check the economic calendar. If a high-impact red folder news event is scheduled at the London Open, standard technicals will fail. Sit on your hands. When you recognize the Judas Swing, you avoid panic selling at the exact moment institutions are heavily buying. Step 4. Do not blindly buy that initial drop. You need confirmation. Wait until the price reverses and surges back up inside the Asian range box. To confirm the smart money has taken control, this upward move must cause a market structure shift. That means it breaks toss the most recent micro-swing high formed during the drop. You will often see this upward surge leave behind a fair value gap, a large, unbalanced candle that provides the final piece of evidence that institutional buying power has entered the market. This completes the mechanics. The Asian range was accumulation. The Judas Swing was manipulation. Following the structure shift, the market is primed for distribution. Step 5 is execution. Once that structure shift is confirmed, place your buy order right at the fair value gap. Next, define your risk. Set a hard stop loss exactly below the lowest wick of the Judas Swing drop. If price goes below that point, the setup is invalid. Now, scale out your profits. Place your first take profit at the Asian high. Set your second take profit at double the height of the entire Asian range box. In this scenario, your stop loss exposes you to a 15 pip risk, but that second take profit target captures a 55 pip reward. That yields a 3.6 to 1 reward to risk ratio. With those mechanics, your win rate can drop below 50%, and your account will still grow mathematically over time. With the institutional liquidity fully secured, the market finally follows its overarching daily bias and aggressively smashes right through your take profit targets. Open your charts right now. Look back over the last 5 days on the euro-dollar pair. Draw those 20 to midnight Asian range boxes and watch how often the London Open sweeps one side before running to the other. Executing a precise strategy with a tight stop requires 0 pip spreads and rapid execution speeds. Click the link below to open an NX1 account with FXNX and get the institutional-grade trading conditions required to execute this setup. Master these parameters, and you take the guesswork out of the daily open. You put the mathematical edge firmly